Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact EverBank customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type on everbank.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this icon that says Security Center and select that. From here scroll a bit down and you'll get this number. If you need any fraud support, these are the number that you need to call for a lost or stolen credit card, and representatives are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. ET and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. ET. If you're calling from outside states, you need to dial 1-631-234-8815. Scroll a bit down here, and if your information has been compromised, if you want to report lost or stolen items immediately for the checks, you need to dial this number, debit cards, and credit cards over here. And that is it. That is how you can contact EverBank customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.